So I was just scrolling in Twitter and I saw this cartoon by Ellis Rosen. Well, it's the real deal because it happens most of the time that our procrastination for doing work, or software work, or coding work, or programming, or something like that, there is always some hurdles that we have created ourselves. These are napping, snacks, social media, minor chores, or something like that, that our family members tell us to do, and we happily say, okay, okay, I'll do it, and we forget the work and all. So, what is yours? What is your hurdles? I mean, this is pretty like a true meme, you may say. So, what is the biggest hurdle that you face in your work? If it includes, if it is included in this one or it is something else, you can tell us in the comment below. Thank you.